everyone! It's time to feel that Canadian rabbit maple syrup flowing through our veins, as well as our beavers. It's time to make an all-Canadian classic, poutine. First up, we're going to cut up our fries into long strips, but make sure that they're not super thin. They should be thick enough to absorb the gravy. Then we're going to soak them in water for at least 1 hour or even overnight. Originating from the province of Quebec during the 1950s, in fact, poutine is a slang there known as mess. But a delicious mess, covered in artery-clogging cheese curds and savory gravy. Then we're going to prepare our gravy. With 100 milligrams of butter and 40 milligrams of flour, we're going to put them in and combine into a nice little paste. Then add your concentrated soup. Add in your 2 tablespoons of ketchup and Worcestershire sauce until nicely combined. If it is not thick enough to your liking, you can add in a little bit of cornstarch and water. Before we start cooking our fries, we're going to lay our fries down on a nice paper towel to absorb as much moisture as possible. Now that our fries are ready to cook, into a large pot or wok, add in your high-smoke point oil like your grapeseed, but make sure to fry in batches. Otherwise, the oil will bubble over and it'll be a big mess to clean up. Remove them from the oil and set aside for 30 minutes. Double fry until nice and golden brown. Add your cheese curds and the crowning achievement, pour the gravy over top. Poutine can also be changed up to be a full meal with stuff like the Montreal-style smoked meat poutine and even the Newfoundland-style onion poutine. And voila! Delicious poutine.